Greetings, Surplus here. And if you're anything like me, you love playing basketball and you love watching basketball, but you probably have said to yourself, I wish there was a place that I could watch more basketball content, and especially Jamaican basketball content. So guess what, fam? Say less. I have the right spot for you. It's called Kings of the Court, and it's a YouTube channel, and you can find out all of the Jamaican basketball. It's like all day, every day basketball content on Kings of the Court. And guess what? Just by watching it, you can find out updates about the next Kings of the Court tournament, where you can see half-court ball game, 3-point shootouts, and even a dunk-off competition. Yeah, man. And guess what? Them also have an Instagram page, you know, so you can follow them also for updates. So me are begging you, please, just if you need basketball content like that, just go over Kings of the Court YouTube channel. Nuff it up, and maybe when them bigger, they may even have like 2 tournaments per year, or even tournaments happening at the same day in different parishes. So who knows? So Kings of the Court, KODC on YouTube and Instagram. Trust me, you're not gonna regret. Basketball content for days. And guess what? Tell them it's Surplus send you. See it here? Surplus. Yeah, man, Kings of the Court. Blessings.